Hello folks, this is Mayuresh. So I'm just making this short video to demonstrate how to operate this microwave. So it is a Koryo brand and it is 15 plus years old actually, but still in a decent working condition. So since every microwave has different kind of buttons and options etc. interface, that's why I'm just making this quick video just so that you know and it goes smoothly and you don't have to do any trial and error and all. So let us get started. So obviously the first step is to switch on the main supply. So as you can see now, this white wire is actually the going to the microwave. So you just switch on this main supply. So that is the first step obviously. And now come to the moment you switch it on, you will see that the LED panel is now on. You have to first open the door. Now suppose you want to heat a glass of water and you just place it. Please don't put anything of metal inside the microwave. So any metal utensil, any metal spoon, or even aluminum foil, because it will create a sparking inside the microwave when you switch it on, and it can damage the microwave and even it can lead to fire. So just ensure that the particular utensil has a microwave compatible mark and only use that one. And another thing is that don't do any full cooking inside the microwave. So microwave you should use only for quick reheating, less than couple of minutes or something like that. Okay, so once you place your utensil inside the microwave like this, you can just close it. Now as you can see, this panel, this is since it is old, this has got rubbed off actually. So there used to be a printed kind of a menu option and all, but it has got rubbed off. But don't worry, most of those menu options are useful only when you want to do some proper cooking, cooking the rice or cooking some noodles or cooking some other things. But that we are not going to do. So we are not going to use the microwave for cooking, because even for electrical efficiency reasons, microwave is very inefficient actually as far as cooking is concerned. For heating and reheating it is very efficient. That's why I use it only for that purpose. For cooking, it's going to have a huge electricity bill if you use it for cooking, for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, it's going to be a huge load on the bill. So the main thing that you have to do is that now suppose you want to just quickly reheat something, say tea, coffee, water or something like that or whatever. So generally 30 seconds is going to be sufficient. So for that what you do is that you just press this button directly. Okay, don't rotate it or anything. Just by default, if you press this without selecting any of these buttons and all, if you just press this circular kind of a button, it will by default heat it for 30 seconds. So let's do it. See, now the countdown has begun, and when it is done, it will have this bell kind of thing. See, this bell kind of sound has come and end has come, so that means it is done. And then you can just open the door directly. So yeah, so it is heated. So obviously it will not be too hot, but yeah, for it will be pretty warm. And just in case if you want to heat it again, so let's say 30 seconds is sometimes not sufficient, so again you can press this button. So again it will heat it for 30 seconds. And suppose in between only you want to stop, so this is the stop button. Little bit you can see it is stop is written there. So this is the bottommost is the stop. So in between if you want to stop, you can first press this. Okay, stop, and then you can just again take out whatever stuff is there. Okay, so this is like 30 seconds. And again if you want to reset, you can again press stop, so it will just reset to a normal condition. Now let's say let's say you need it for a couple of minutes, because if you take the food from the fridge, it will 30 seconds and 60 seconds may not be sufficient. So generally you will need it at least 1.5 minutes, 1.5 to 2 minutes or something like that. So in that case, just in case you need, what you can do is that this circular button, you rotate it anti-clockwise. Okay, and so just rotate it anti-clockwise. So these are the minutes actually, whatever number of minutes you want, you can adjust. So let's say you want it for 3 minutes. So so keep it like this. Say 3 minutes if you want. So you can rotate this right or left and adjust how much time you want. And then once you selected the time, you just press it again like this. Just press it without rotating again like this. So the time, even if you have selected 3 minutes, it will be little bit more than that. So say 1.5 times or something like that, because as you can see the sound is changing now. So it is intermittently stopping and starting, stopping and starting. So including the pauses, it will show you 1.5 times actually, but actual microwaving will happen only for the 3 minutes that you have selected. Okay, so I'm not going to go all the way, so I will again stop in between so that, okay, so stop, and it has stopped now. If you want to reset again, you press stop so that it will get reset. Okay, so now you can open it. Okay, cool. So yeah, water is nicely heated, and don't forget to yeah, the most important thing is that you should close the door completely nicely, and you have to switch off the main switch of the microwave, because if you don't switch off this, then the timer circuit remains on. Okay, so just like you can see, if you switch it on, then this LED panel is on. So if this LED panel remains on for too long, say half hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour and all, anything more than 15-20 minutes, so it will actually get damaged. It has happened actually a couple of times before. So make sure that as soon as you are done, within a few minutes, you just switch it off. Don't let it be on for more than 15-20 minutes on in an idle state. So if you are not using it, just the main supply should be off, otherwise the timer circuit gets damaged. Okay, so please follow all these things to ensure that there is no damage to the microwave and it is used properly, and for your own safety also. So thank you for watching, and please follow these things.